Hello and welcome to a lovely day in Wicklow. So I'm down at a lovely little gravel bar here in Wicklow. So what I'm doing today is I'm looking at ways and means by which you can prospect for gold without hurting your back. So what I have here is a 3-gallon bucket and I have a classifier on top of a small east wing pan. To put water into this, normally you would use either a 5-gallon bucket or any other bucket you would happen to have. So what I'm going to do now is just going to use my gold suction tube just to simply put a bit of water and a little bit of gravel in there as well. Just come in here. Really, at the moment, what we want is water in there. So what I'm going to do now is just going to bounce that on through. And again, if your back is particularly bad, you don't want a situation where you're going to actually hurt your back even more. Okay, so you can see that there correctly. So what I'm going to do now is, rather than arching over, I'm simply going to bend with my knees. Now you might have issues with your knees as well, but today we're just looking at the back. So again, knees, good bit apart, arms right out in front of you, and we just lower straight down, keeping your back straight, looking straight ahead. If you want to look down at the pan, you want to look down at the classifier, you're glancing down, but your head remains perfectly straight. Glancing down, bending with the knees, grab the classifier, bounce repeatedly, again, facing straight forward. We throw that off to the side. So again, I'm going to pick up the shovel, bend with the knees, keep facing forward, and we'll lift up. So what I'm going to do in this case is, again, feet a good bit apart, as stable as you can. We've already got the gravel ready to go, and we just need to lift. So again, we bend with the knees, arms facing forward, right down, and we simply lift. Don't be tempted to creak your neck towards the shovel, just face this way and up. Pull the shovel towards you. Just gonna prop up on the knee, pick off the big rocks. Be one less thing to hurt yourself with. I'm gonna put that in the classifier. So I'm just gonna put the shovel up against the tree so that the next time we need it, we don't have to bend down for it. So again, from this angle, what we're gonna do is feet a good bit apart. We're going to bend down, arms straight out as if you're doing exercises. If you have waders like myself, pull them up so you don't tear. Arms straight ahead, bend right down. If you want to look at the classifier, you're not tipping your head forward, you're tilting your eyes slightly forward. And again, look, there's a temptation to arch your back. Spread your legs a bit more, down. And all we'll do, just nice and gentle, and done. Right, so this is another option. So at the side of the river, I have a tree trunk here. Now in your river, you might have a riverbank. It might be a small river, small creek. What you can do is you can sit down on the riverbank. So what you can do now is you can recognize, okay, I'm not having to bend down too much, and I can pan into this bucket. And it's just a normal 3-gallon bucket. That's why you need the 14-inch pan. So all I'll do is just pick up water. It's not going to be the best pan in the world because you don't have a whole lot of room to work with. We can pan the front 3 riffles. Working on down. Now what you could also do as well is, after you've gotten to a certain amount of material, you could have another bucket set off to the side and you could super concentrate. So you could take this material and you could put it into another pan or into another bucket. One of the reasons why I'm making this video is a couple of weeks ago I was working a particular patch of ground where I dug a hole but there was nowhere to put my feet. The suction tube I had was a lot shorter, I was using a short spade, very hard on the body, and I found that for a couple of days afterwards I found it very difficult to move. Right, let's have a quick look and see where we're at gold wise. I'll just bring you around to the light so we can see this properly together. And again, I don't salt, I don't put gold in pans, whatever's here is whatever's here. Oh yeah! Oh yeah, now again, I don't salt, this is only a small bit of gold, but yeah. Yeah, I can't see it on screen. What I'm going to do is going to get my phone out, I'll show you on the phone so you can see that properly, but that is nice gold. Okay, so that's the gold there. Hopefully you can make it out, as I just, for some reason the GoPro couldn't quite make it out. You can see it there now perfectly fine. Cool. Not a whole lot of gold, but I mean we only ran basically 1 shovel and a couple of draws of circuit tube. So I hope you've enjoyed today's video of panning with a sore back. If you like this video and you want to see more videos like this, comment below. I'd happily make things like this. There's nothing worse than being in a situation where you can't prospect because of an injury or because of a pain or because of anything like that. I'm happily help any prospectors worldwide, because I know we all like getting out and just finding gold. Hope you've enjoyed today's video of how to pan for gold with a sore back. If you like this video, chances are you like the videos I've previously posted and the ones we post in the future. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and sure, I'll catch you in the next one. We can all go find more shiny. Bye bye.